With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the given question is a particle executes simple harmonic motion under the restoring force provided by a spring. Okay, the time period is t. If the spring is divided into two equal parts and one part is used to continue the simple harmonic motion, the new time period will be. And the given options are remains t, becomes 2t, becomes t by 2, or becomes t by root 2. Okay, so what we given is that initially a spring mass system was there, okay, and its time period was t equals to 2 pi root m by k. Okay, now since the spring of length L is cut into two equal halves, so the new spring has a length of L by 2 and the new spring constant becomes k dash. Okay, and its spring constant was k, and the second spring also has a new spring constant k dash and length L by 2. Okay, now as we know that the product of L into k, the length of spring and its spring constant remain constant even if we do some modifications in the spring. Hence L into k equals to L by 2 into k dash. So the new spring constant becomes k dash equals to 2k. Okay, now putting this value, the new time period t dash comes out to be 2 pi root m by k dash. Okay, and the value of k dash is 2k, so this is 2 pi root m by 2k, and as we know that this is equals to 2 pi root 2 root m by k, and the value of 2 pi root m by k, the value of this particular expression is t. Okay, so the new time period t dash becomes t by root 2. So the correct option is option 4. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.